Hey there, little explorers. Have you ever noticed how your fingernails and toenails seem to keep getting longer? Like magic, right? You trim them and poof, a little while later they're back, peeking out again. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? Why do our nails keep growing? Let's meet our friend Pip. Pip is a super curious little squirrel who loves to find out how things work. One sunny morning, Pip was trying to bury a super special acorn. He dug, and then he looked at his little paws. "Whoa," he squeaked, "my claws are longer than yesterday." He couldn't understand why. So Pip decided to ask the wise old owl, Professor Hoot. Professor Hoot blinked his big round eyes and hooted kindly. "Ah, Pip, that's a wonderful question. Your nails and our nails are like tiny little construction sites that never stop working." He explained that at the very bottom of your nails, underneath the part you can see, there are special tiny workers called cells. These cells are super busy. They are always making new nail material, a bit like how a baker is always making new dough for delicious bread. Imagine your nail is like a tiny slide. The new nail material is made at the bottom, and then it slowly pushes the older nail material forward. That's why your nails grow longer and longer. It's like a very slow conveyor belt, always moving new pieces out. Professor Hoot continued, "These cells are always working, even when you're asleep. That's why your nails keep growing all the time. They are helping to protect your fingertips, which are very soft and important for playing and touching things. They are like little shields for your fingers and toes. Think about it like a Lego tower. Every day, new Lego bricks are added to the bottom, making the tower taller. Your nails are similar, but instead of Lego bricks, it's these special nail cells making new material. So every time you see your nails looking a little long, remember Pip the squirrel and Professor Hoot. It's not magic, it's just your amazing body working hard to keep those helpful little shields growing. Isn't that neat? Your body is full of amazing things happening all the time, even when you don't notice. Keep asking questions, little explorers, and you'll discover so many wonderful secrets about our world.
Why Kids Wonder Stories. See you next time!